Arabica or Robusta coffee. Which is better? We all know that coffee is brewed from beans. But did you know that there are actually two different types of coffee beans? Arabica and Robusta are the two most common varieties of coffee beans, and each has its own unique flavor profile. So, which is better, Arabica or Robusta coffee? To answer this question, we first need to understand the difference between these two types of coffee beans. Arabica beans are the most popular type of coffee bean in the world. More than 60% of all coffee production is devoted to Arabica beans, which are prized for their mellow flavor and delicate aroma. The Arabica plant is a native of Ethiopia, but today it is grown in many countries around the world, including Brazil, Colombia, and Guatemala. Arabica beans are harvested when they are bright red in color, and they are typically roasted at a lower temperature than other types of coffee beans. This helps to preserve the beans' characteristic flavor profiles. While Arabica beans are often enjoyed on their own, they can also be blended with other coffee beans to create unique flavor profiles. Robusta beans are a type of coffee bean that is used to produce a strong, full-bodied coffee. These beans have a higher caffeine content than other types of coffee beans, and they often have a bitter taste. Robusta beans are grown in Vietnam, Brazil, and India, and they make up about 30% of the world's coffee production. While some coffee drinkers enjoy the bold flavor of Robusta coffee, others find it too harsh. In order to balance out the bitterness, many coffee roasters mix Robusta beans with other types of beans, such as Arabica beans. The resulting blend is usually more mellow and easier to drink. Whether you like it strong or weak, there's no doubt that Robusta coffee packs a punch. So, which is better, Arabica or Robusta coffee? Ultimately, it depends on your personal preference. If you prefer a sweeter, more gentle flavor, then Arabica coffee is probably a better choice for you. However, if you prefer a stronger, more intense flavor, then Robusta coffee might be a better option. Whichever type of coffee you choose, we hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Comment your thoughts down below. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.